Hello, good morning guys. Today is October 11th. I think it's our 7th day na ngayon. Nandito kami sa Ngorongoro. So po mag-game drive kami. Pupunta kami sa volcanic crater. One of the active, ay dormant ata, volcano dito sa Tanzania. Pero tignan nyo naman ang aking view. So currently it's 6 o'clock in the morning. And magbe-breakfast lang kami and then we will gonna proceed. We have a whole day ahead. Peace out. Good morning guys. Nakikita niyo ba yung background ko? It's almost 6 o'clock. October 12th. Still here in Ngorongoro. And then we're going to Serengeti. So it's gonna take us 6 hours. So magbe-breakfast muna kami. We're here na sa gate ng Serengeti. And then we're just gonna do washroom break. So guys, from Ngorongoro to Serengeti, it took us siguro more than 6 hours kasi nag-game drive pa kami. Pero tignan nyo naman ang aming accommodation. Yeah. So, bali magla-lunch kami. And then after this, diretso kami ng game drive.
You saw it?
Tiny and sauce. It's all worth it. So guys, ito yung aming accommodation. Tapos may mga zebras. And then that is our restaurant. Mine is Marcelo. Thank you, Asante. Thanks. Okay, this is our accommodation, guys. Ayan. That's our view. Tapos may receiver na pag-gala-gala. Meron dyan. Meron.
So many baby buffalo on the left side.
Yeah, and baby giraffe. So many of them.
Baby
Yes.
is Serena. S-E.
How come the word they have this M-B-E-R-E S-E-R-O?
Huh? M-B-E.
Guys, we're here to see Hippo. Ayan, yung mga ka-group ko. Ang dami nga nila.
Oo nga, ang dami nga nila. Magsawa ka ngayon sa hipo. Hipuin mo. Sabi nila, mas maganda doon. Doon ka, kuha lang kita ng picture. Laki na lang na. Especially with the tree.
today is October 13. Last day na namin to sa Serengeti, and then tomorrow we're gonna fly to Arusha, and then mag-game drive kami for the whole day. Hanapin namin yung mga hindi pa namin nakita. So far nakita na namin yung elephant, may buffalo, may lion, dalawa pa sa big 5 ang hindi namin nakikita. Hopefully makakita kami ng rhino up close, and leopard. Mahirap kasi yung spot ng leopard eh. Pero tignan nyo naman guys, yung environment, yung surroundings, napakaganda dito sa Serengeti. Yung hot air balloon, it costs like almost siguro $600 per person. So hindi na lang namin ginawa yung balloon ride. And mag-breakfast lang muna ako.
Having something known as communal suckling. Yeah, so baby lion kids can be breastfed any mother. Yeah.
Is our room. Tapos may mga zebras. Ayan pa sila. Okay. So guys, ito yung sa backyard ng hotel namin. Oh. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Diyan kami nag-game drive kanina, maraming animals. Tapos, and then swimming pool. Serengeti sunset, guys. Too bad that hut's right there. No, because I forgot it's low light and I had to stay still.
Guess you are so lucky.
Wow.
You will see the leopard.
Okay.
Good morning, guys. It's October 14. And we're still here in Serengeti. So mag-hot air balloon kami. It cost like $500, almost $600, pero $570 lang yung binayaran namin kasi there's 8 people of us. Currently it's 5:30 in the morning. Good morning. Kita niyo ba guys yung balloon? Yan. Coffee muna. Diyan na yung mga balloons.
We also have another same safety cone on the other side of the bus.
Yeah, right?
Yes, welcome guys to a safari from the sky. Is everybody okay?
Yeah! Dito ka nila.
Double, okay.
Alam that we could move around.
Pinababa niya para mas maganda.
Now those guys on the side over there, the zebras. Okay, it's good luck also to Quetzalcoatl. We have a small tradition. It's good luck, Quetzalcoatl. Mushroom facility, it's over there. The
Mushroom, okay, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Mag-breakfast muna kami, guys. I-video ko lang yung pagkain. kasama ko.